Today is the first anniversary of the collapse of the slab of the Kala Academy. Today is the first anniversary. And I expect the Honorable Chief Minister to move a congratulatory motion congratulating this government on this remarkable achievement of turning our Kala Academy, जी आमगेली कलाकारागेली एक शान आहली, of turning this into a structure or a monument of corruption. This government basically is full of nataks, and they have compromised our Madai to Karnataka. आयच्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता कर्नाटकाच्या काँग्रेस सरकारान एक बिल कॅबिनेटान पास केला, where they have promised that 100% reservation of jobs for Kannadigas, or the people of Karnataka, in the form of category C and category D in private firms. I believe it is high time that the Chief Minister learns. आज आमच्या गोंयांत कसलेच job reservation ना. We talk about 80% reservation in the house. They have come with 100% reservation for their people. Today, with the way जे पद्धतीन आज जे सरकाराक सपोर्ट कोता येते, जे हे आर्ट डिफेक्टर आर क्वेश्चनिंग दिस गवर्नमेंट, this proves that apart from their self-development, no other development has taken place in their constituencies. With the way the rains are moving, and I express my sympathy towards the life lost. एक 18 वर्षाचो भुरगो इन फातोड्डा, Kosadon, wall Kosadon, he has lost his life. This government is absolutely not sensible. आयच्या दिसाक you will see that several issues, starting with the question are, we will grill this one.
तुम्ही डेव्हलपमेंट त्याची उलयता न्ही, तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन डेव्हलपमेंट कसो जेन्ना तुमी ऑपोजिशन
आमी डेव्हलपमेंटाचे जेन्ना सांगता रिमाइंड करता. आतां हे पारोडाचे कालचे दीस, दिस इज द third time that I have asked the Honorable Chief Minister to intervene. कोता मोठा जात कितें फकत बाबाजी कार कळटू खानो कांय जायना मुखार. हे सरकाराक फक्त म्हाका दिसता आश्वासनां जे दिलें. टुडे यू विल सी इन द बजेट on my reply that I will show how and what violations have been done, and definitely we expect the Honorable Chief Minister to answer rather than goal तोपड होता आणि आमकां डायवर्ट करपाक सोदता. He doesn't. I will make sure that he answers the questions of the गरीब जनता.
ओके, युरी यू मेन्शन अबाउट गुडी पारोडा ते आहा पळय ते बुडटा ते कितले वर्सां जाले बुडटा, बट तेजें सोल्युशन काडपाक काय?
अरे सोल्युशन सायंटिफीक आसपाक जायो. This government doesn't believe in any scientific study. I had said you get in NIO, make sure that NIO comes in, National Institute of Oceanography, they study the concept, why this is happening. Again, solutions are like गांवठी. आणि ह्यो टॅबलेट ह्यो दीत आहा, आनी टॅबलेटान म्हाका दिसता इम्यून जाला लोक. हे चलपा जाय दोतरान हेजेर म्हाका दिसता ताबडतोब एक नये एक्सरसाइज करपाक जाय. अरे वर्क स्पेसिफिकली सायंटिफिकली, ही कम्स फ्रॉम अ मेडिकल बॅकग्राउंड. ह्यो टॅबलेट चलपा नाय आता.